everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to remove a payment method from your iPhone, then the process is quite simple. Open up your settings app from your iPhone and from the settings menu, tap on your name at the top. From the options, tap on payment and shipping. You'll be able to see that all of your payment option is displayed on the screen. Tap on a payment method you would like to remove and on the next page, tap on the remove icon right next to your payment method that you've selected. Soon after you do that, a pop-up will ask you to confirm your selection. Tap on remove again in order to remove your payment method on iPhone. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.